Hello friends. So today I will show in this demo how to create Indian map with COVID data using Power BI. So first I will show my Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet which is related to COVID data. So starting from January 30th to August 6th. So this data is there. So if you see the columns here, name of the state, total confirmed cases, death, and all these things, new cases, new deaths, everything is there. Now, this is completely related to first corona wave. Now, I want to load this data into some visualization tool like map. Okay, so you can see, you can also see that here we have only one sheet. Sheet name is complete. Now, I'm closing this sheet. I want to load the data. If you want to load the data, just click on get next and click on Excel workbook. So this is my sheet, nation COVID-19 data. So I am opening this sheet. Now it is getting loaded. First it is connecting, later it is loaded. Total number of rows are 4600 rows are there. Okay. Now this is the navigator and select your sheet. On the right side you can see a preview is evaluating. In the down you can see load, transform data, everything. So if your data doesn't have any errors or all these things, you want to use the transform data. But in my case, so here my data is completely clean. We don't have any errors or any issues. So I am directly click on load. 4091 rows. Okay. Yeah. You can see on the right side data, and if you click on that expand this one, you can see all these columns what is shown earlier. So this is the queued, discharged data, death, name of the state, new cases, everything is there. Now this is the take any chart or map. You need to drag it on this visualization tool. Okay. So here this is the map. So in visualization there are different charts are there. Now bar chart, line chart, area chart, everything is there. Pie chart like this. But I am using here map. Just click on the map. So map is getting loaded here. Now expanding this one, I will make this is the focus mode. Okay, this is map. Now here our intention is to build the Indian chart, Indian map. So for that I am taking the name of the state. So here I am click on the name of the state. You can see down different location, legend, or these are different labels. So I am dragging this name of the sheet in the location. So here I got the message. What is the message? Map and field map visuals are disabled. To enable them, go to File, Options, Settings, and Options and Security. So here I am click on File, Option, and Options. I need to enable. So by default, this map and field map visuals are disabled. You need to enable if you want to apply the map chart. So here global, go to security. So here you come down here, map and field map visuals. So this is I need to check this checkbox. Click OK. Okay, and again name of the state is getting loaded now. Name of the state is getting loaded. So map will be created. Indian map will be created. Okay. So I will make this is in a focus mode. I'm closing this one, minimizing this one. See, it is only just small size. I want to increase the size here. Okay. This is complete Indian map. Okay. Indian map. I want to increase more the size. So here different labels. So I drag the name of the state in the location column. So here there is bubble size. In the bubble size, I'm taking the number of deaths. I'm dragging the number deaths column into bubble size. So what will happen? It will appear in bubble size. So based on the bubble size, we can confirm number of deaths are more in this particular state. See here, this bubble size is more among the Indian states. What is the state name? Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the highest in number of deaths during first wave. So if you see the here, next bubble size is here. State and union territory Delhi. Delhi is the second highest state in the corona deaths. So next one is Gujarat. Among the south, Tamil Nadu is the highest. So like this, the bubble size will display and it will show the number of size. Now, if you want to change the format your visuals, go to map settings. So here, by default, this map is showing as a road. Uh, I want to change it as a aerial style. So it will looks like in this way. If you want to change the aerial, it will looks like in this way. Now I want to show it as a dark. So what will happen? So entire background is dark and your bubbles is appear like this. If you want to make it as a light, you can use light and it will appear like this. So like this you can change as per your convenient, as per your requirement. Now go back to this build with wheel. Now I want to make it as a dark 1 minute. I want to make it as a dark. Okay. Now so go back to build visual. So now here I want to add that a date in the fee in the label. It is tooltips. So I want to drag this date into tooltips here. And if you click on this any bubble, you can see here. So first case reported in on March 9th in Maharashtra, and you can see here Tamil Nadu first case is reported on March 7th 2020. Okay, like that it is in the this one is Kerala. Kerala is first case reported in January 30th. If you want to cross check, you can cross check with the sheet. Okay, if you want to cross check, see here Kerala is reported first case reported on January 30th, and go on check your map here. So here this is the Kerala. You can see here earliest date is January 30th 2020. Like that Maharashtra first case reported on March 9th. If you want to cross check and just take the filter and select only Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, see first case is March 9th, as I shown earlier in the bubble. So this is how you need to take your map, Indian map, and change the settings and change the required data as per your requirement by using Power BI maps. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.